Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1. Overview of the bakery sector. Session 4. Utensils used in the baking process. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1. Overview of the bakery sector. In the previous video, you have learned about the roles and responsibilities of a baking technician. In this video, you will learn about the utensils used in the baking process. Students, have you ever thought about the different shape of the cookies, bread and cakes you have eaten? With different shapes of the utensils, different textures and shapes of the bakery products are baked. Let us now see the different types of utensils used in the baking process. The different types of utensils include pans and molds, trays, wire cooling racks, and working tables. Pans and molds. These are the most fundamental utensils used in the baking process. A baking pan is used to hold the runny batter such as a cake batter, and sometimes it is also used to bake a loaf of bread too. Pans are made of aluminium, anodized aluminium, glass, silicon, stainless steel, stone, and tinned steel. Students, sometimes pans and molds are interchangeably used, but both provide the same meaning, that is, to provide the shape and texture to the bakery product. Pans are classified into the following types. First is geometrically shaped pans. These pans have the basic geometrical shapes like circular, square, and rectangular. The layer cakes are usually prepared in the traditional round-shaped pans because they are 2 inches deep to prevent the overflow of the batter. The square baking pans are used for making small cakes like brownies and bar cookies. Tube pans. A tube pan is any type of round baking pan that has a hollow tube in its center. The tube conducts heat, which helps large deep cakes bake faster, and it also helps the cake release more easily from the pan after it has been baked. Bundt pans. A heavily walled baking pan formed with a decorative indented curvature and a hollow tube in the center. The heavier walled construction and hollow center tube allow cake batters to rise and bake more uniformly, creating a golden crust on outside of the cake. After the ingredients are baked, the pan is turned over so the firm cake falls onto a plate or counter, producing a decoratively shaped cake. Brioche pan. A type of pan with fluted side that is used to form the base of the traditional French bread known as brioche. Loaf pans. A baking pan rectangular in shape and deep walled is used to bake a single loaf of bread. Bread pans are typically made from aluminium, steel, glass, pottery, or stoneware. They are produced to make semi-crisp crust with evenly textured crumb. Smaller sized pans work well for making gift or dessert loaves that can be cooked in less time. The larger loaf pans are also often used to bake meatloaf. Bread pans are also sometimes referred to as loaf pans. Spring-form pans. Spring-form pans have openable sides which are secured with a clamp. They are round in shape and have a removable bottom. Delicate cakes that could be damaged by turning them upside down while removing them from the pan are prepared using spring-form pans. The sides of the pan expands and release the bottom when clamp is opened to take out the baked cake. They can be made of a variety of materials such as stained steel, steel, stainless steel and carbon steel. Many have the non-stick surfaces too. The removable sides aid in removing cakes that would otherwise be difficult to remove, such as cheesecakes and torts. Muffin tin, a type of pan used for baking muffins. The pan typically has 6 or 12 individual round pockets or holders connected to the tin and form the shape of a muffin. The muffin batter is poured into the individual pockets, and as the muffin bakes, a top is formed over the pocket while the base of the muffin is baked in the shape of the cup. Popover pan, a baking pan specifically designed to hold popover batter so the popover as it bakes can rise into large, airy pastry-like shape. Larger than the traditional muffin tins, the popover pan will typically be made with individual cups joined by wire racks that are constructed to hold the batter and keep the baked contents away from touching the adjacent popovers as they enlarge when baked. The cup expands outwards from the base as it moves up to the top of each cup where the lip is formed. The lip separates the base and the head of the baked popover, so the base is uniform in shape and the head is allowed to bake into an irregular, puffy shaped popover as the baked batter pops up and over the cup. Tart pan, a round or oblong shaped pan with smooth or fluted sides and a removable bottom. The pan is constructed with a removable bottom so that the baked tart can be pushed out of the pan, allowing the contents to be removed easily and cleanly while retaining the shape created by the fluted sides. Baking cups. A baking cup or silicone molds are used for making muffins and cupcakes. It is usually made up of paper or foil or reusable silicone. Baking cups hold the cake batter and make it easy to remove from the muffin pan. Trays. A baking sheet or tray is a metal sheet on which the food is cooked in the oven. A flat pan or sheet of metal is used to bake products that are thick or stiff enough to stand on their own, such as cookies, freestanding bread, biscuits, pastries, and meringues. Baking sheets, which are also referred to as cookie sheets, consist of a metal sheet that is flat with one or both the short ends containing a slightly turned up lip that is used to aid in handling the sheets. A rimless baking sheet is preferably used for placing rows of cookies, whereas the raised edges baking sheets are used for roasting nuts. Wire cooling racks. Wire cooling racks are required for cooling hot baking pans and tins after removal from the heated oven. While spraying icing or chocolate on top of the cookies, cakes or pastries, cooling racks allow the falling of extra icing drips through the racks. Working tables. Working tables or bakery tables are sturdy surfaces used for everything from basic food preparation to heavy-duty kneading. Most bakery tables have durable stainless steel bases with tops made from either stainless steel or wood. Students, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. Utensils of different types and shapes provide different textures to the bakery products. The different types of utensils include pans and molds. A baking pan is used to hold the runny batter such as a cake batter, and sometimes it is also used to bake a loaf of bread too. Trays. A baking sheet or tray is a metal sheet on which the food is cooked in the oven. Wire cooling racks. Wire cooling racks are required for cooling hot baking pans and tins after removal from the heated oven. Working tables. Working tables or bakery tables are sturdy surfaces used for everything from basic food preparation to heavy duty kneading. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.